We got the fire going. We're gonna have to let that char up a little bit. We got some garlic here we're gonna use to saison our grill. Get it nice and prepped for the brisket we're gonna lay on top of it. You can use anything. I've used corn, potatoes. We like to use a lot of onions for this. Now we're using garlic. And this is just to get the grill ready to cook our brisket on. All right, we got the brisket on, guys. So basically, we're gonna give it a little bit of a sear, and then we're gonna slow everything down and smoke it for hours. We got a nice barbecue rub on there. Looks amazing. I'm excited. Now we separate all the wood, reduce the flame, and we smoke it, baby. We smoke that brisket. Now that we got this baby nice and smoked out, the nice brisket's gonna be all done, we're gonna head over to Olsen Lake. See if we can catch us some largemouth bass on the Topwater Froggn. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, another windy day here. Another windy day here. Olsen Lake. Got people on the beach, weeds on the beach, and geese on the beach. We're gonna head out here and see if we can do what we do with the frogs. All right, guys. Nice and windy out here today. We got a black and blue frog on out in Olsen Lake. It's really windy, so we're gonna go to the other side of the lake and just work our way, inch our way along the shoreline and see what we can do. We just got done making that brisket, which was a success, so hopefully we're successful when we get out there today. Let's go. Crazy wind. Black and blue, tried and true, always comes through. Literally, dude, always comes through for me, that black and blue. Whether it's a worm, a frog, a jig, for sure, dude. And we were out here just after we cooked that brisket. You saw us, man. That took hours, guys, to smoke that baby, and it came out perfect. Texas barbecue, dry rub, and yeah, that baby looked good. But look at this. We got this beautiful largemouth bass out here, coming out late in the evening, later in the afternoon. Look how easy that hook came out. That's scary, guys. You let any pressure go, these frogs are gone. These fish are gone. Holding for the release. Oh, good, baby. Let's get another one. All right, guys, we're able to end that on a good note. Caught a fish. That's always a good thing. We did it on the black and blue, tried and true, guys. That's what we did it on, right? Black and blue, a tried and a true. Booyah poppin padcrasher. That's what we caught our fish on today. We had 2 other chances. They came up, but they did not even touch our frog. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but we will get back with it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys on another geofishing exclusive. Remember, every week of every month of every year, that's what geofishing brings to you. Please hit that like button. If your friends don't like fishing, send this video to them, and I guarantee they'll start. Peace, and just chill out for the weekend, guys. 92 degrees. I came out here and I caught 1 fish, so it is what it is, but I'm glad I caught one. Peace.